So this is Fort Atkinson. We are in northern Iowa today. This is a fort from 1840, I believe it was said, and they're doing a lot of masonry repairs on this historical project. So the masonry repairs that they are doing need to be authentic. They need to fit in the stuff that's already there. So this park is run by the state of Iowa, so they have a lot of people come in here to look at the fort, to look at the history behind that fort. And so all of the work that they're doing here is to preserve that history and make sure that the people can come and take a look at that. So you can see behind me, like they've got these big, bulk, thick masonry walls. So they're using the Proseco heavy-duty sock anchor. So you're gonna drill the full depth, so 40 inches into that wall, and then you put your sock anchor into that 40 inches. And what you do is you inject grout into the anchor, and so it's going to fill up with grout, it's gonna fill all the voids in there, it's gonna really do a good job of holding those two parts of the wall together. So this is the heavy-duty sock anchor. The ones that they're using are 40 inches, so they're a long anchor, and it's got this part here. So this is the sock, and this is the helical, so this doesn't have the sock on it, but you see the helical is kind of inside these sock anchors. And the way this works is this goes into the wall like this, and then they put this tube on. Through the tube, they are pumping grout into this anchor, and you can see when this fills up, this is what it looks like. So this is gonna fill all the voids in the wall, parts of the wall that maybe are not in the best shape. This is gonna hold up. So once this grout cures, this is gonna be solid. Like in this one, 40 inches of this stuff all the way through. So it's really gonna reinforce that wall through that full depth. So in other parts of the building, they are putting in, it's a stitch tie bar, a helical bar, and they drill a hole, put grout into the hole, and then put the stitch tie bar into the hole. They also have some cracks in the masonry wall. They're keeping those together and making sure those cracks don't get bigger by using the stitch tie bar horizontally. They ground it out, put in the grout, and then they put the stitch tie bar horizontally, and then put more grout to cover that up in the joint. And that keeps everything together. So they've got things that go the depth of the wall, all 40 inches into the depths of those walls, and then they've got the horizontal stitch tie bar. And basically what they're trying to do is just reinforce all of this stuff along the wall so that the whole thing is kept together. As they go through their work, they're cleaning the wall with Vanitrol. They've got some parts of the wall that they are protecting with siloxane PD, really trying to make these masonry structures last a long time, stay in their current condition, stay looking as intended. So that's part of the cleaning, the tuck pointing, and the protection to kind of make all that stuff look good for a long time.